Welcome to Bird Paradise. My name is Kathy, and this is one of our baby Congo African greys. We have many kinds of parrots here, but the African greys are our #1 selling bird. They come from our own breeder who breeds exclusively for Bird Paradise. So they're very well socialized birds, very healthy birds, and African greys are known for being very intelligent birds. Terrific talkers, although that shouldn't be your primary reason for purchasing an African grey. With the proper care and one of our Java trees, which allows them to be out with you, but not attached to you and not chewing things in your house, you can attach a lot of different toys to them. You have food and water on them. And they love hanging out because it's very close to what their natural environment would be like. They're called Java trees. And they're weaned onto our exclusive Bird Paradise Ultimate Blend, which features natural pellets, nuts, dried fruits and vegetables. And African greys also need a lot of fresh foods in their diet. It keeps them very healthy. So hopefully you'll stop by and get acquainted with some of our babies. Thank you.